Malone's has a long history of manufacturing aerospace parts specifically for the military. There's a lot of planes out there that were built in the 50s and 60s, and those are still being utilized by the U.S. Armed Forces, and we make the parts that keep those planes in the air. So often I think that manufacturers in these smaller, maybe more rural communities can be overlooked. I think that we can provide a very solid and steady workforce. We have a lot of people here that they work on farms or they grew up on farms and they have that mentality. And I think it brings that work ethic into the workplace every day and supports our customers.
I've been at Malone's for over 23 years. I actually started out in the shipping side and progressed my way through getting up into the general manager role. We're a small town, so there's not a lot of opportunity a lot of times in the small town. Travel for a lot of employees, driving to Tulsa, Joplin. I mean, you're talking 45 minutes to an hour commute, and majority of our employees live fairly local, so it's really good for the community.
I love showing up every day. I love the people I'm around. I love the job that I do. It's a great community here. It's real gratifying to know that, that I have the experience and the knowledge to be able to do the things that I do here. I've worked all the way in Tulsa, and it's nice to be able to work close to home.
I do love the community here. It's a tight-knit community. I didn't have any experience when I started here with machining and manufacturing. I learned from people that had experience, hands-on. It means a lot to me. It supports me and my family.
I've always been fascinated by this concept of creation of wealth. You take raw materials, you take people, you take talent, you take skill, know-how, and equipment, and you put those things together and you end up with something more valuable on the backside than you started with. So that's always fascinated me, and that's really ultimately what we're trying to drive here. There's excellent people here in this community, and the work that we do here, we're able to provide that, I think, higher level of contribution from the standpoint of knowing the work that we do, why it matters, where it goes, and supporting our country all at the same time.